So if I were to actually go around over here onto the home page, I can view some photos right here. And if I were to click right here, then I can navigate around from one photo to the next. But what I can also do is I can go ahead and make this album specific. So to do that, I can go around onto album, and I can also expand the album over here on the next left hand side to view it. And over here you can see that I can go ahead and click over here or click on the thumbnail of the album right here. Once I go around over here, you can see that I get the option for the album, but I can also go ahead and individually see the album just by clicking on it. And now if I were to go ahead and click on the photo again, then it goes to the full screen mode right here. And now I can utilize this navigational arrows right here to go from one picture to the next right here, or go back, as you can see, just like this. And this is how you can actually go ahead and view the albums and use different album viewing options inside of Google Photos. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.